Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to do a sawmill tour today. So here it is. There used to be a sawmill train, which is over there. And there used to be a big massive blade to it. And this was the tool tower, that's what I call it. Because there's a lot of some tools on it. And we got a big pile of sawdust, and there's a big pile of wooden plank. And there's more down there, but you can't see, it's camouflage and covered up with leaves. And you see this? You think it's just an old rock, but if you look closely, there's a piece of iron in it. It's an iron rock. There's some iron right there. It's an iron rock. And there's a more. See? That's a very old one. Well, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.